This morning, suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton faced a judge in criminal court, marking long-awaited momentum on an 8-year-old securities fraud case.
And our Capitol correspondent Monica Madden was in court and tells us where this case goes from here.
Paxton came to this Harris County courthouse Thursday morning related to felony charges he faces. It stems from a securities fraud case where he is accused of defrauding investors in a McKinney-based tech startup. A grand jury indicted him in 2015. But for years, this case has been delayed for a variety of reasons: changes in venue, issue over pay with prosecutors, and even natural disasters. But Thursday morning, the case finally started moving forward.
8 years of delays and 9 minutes in court. Suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton facing a judge for the first time in years as a defendant. He did not speak, and the judge made no major decisions Thursday.
The wheels of justice have seemed to move at a glacial pace.
Prosecutors describing the brief hearing as a rebirth of the case.
At some point, it has to come to an end, as all criminal litigation does. I think today was the first step in a journey of 1,000 miles to make sure that justice ultimately comes to be.
Both parties' next moves, however, could all hinge on the outcome of Paxton's September impeachment trial in the Senate.
The consensus was we figure out what happens at the impeachment trial and we go from there.
Paxton's defense team also revealing the FBI is actively interviewing witnesses for an investigation into other corruption allegations against Paxton, another complicating factor in the ongoing case.
Do you expect to try to settle this case, or?
It's too early to tell, but logically, if he's impeached in the Senate, he would have greater motivation to resolve this case on whatever basis, because his political career, one would think, would be dead.
While prosecutors and defense spoke with reporters after the hearing, Paxton avoided the press by going into and out of the court through a private entrance flanked by DPS officials.
And that was our Monica Madden reporting. The judge set a date in October to rule on pretrial motions and to possibly set a trial.
Going in depth, the trial for the case of real estate developer Nate Paul has also been pushed back. Paul is the man linked to accusations against Ken Paxton. A federal judge pushed the trial date to July 29, 2024 to provide sufficient time to prepare and analyze records. Paul is charged with 8 counts of making false statements and reports to lenders to obtain more than $172 million in loans for his businesses in 2017 and 2018. When Paul needed help, investigators for the Texas House General Investigating Committee say he got it from Paxton. The 20 articles of impeachment against Paxton include several on assistance that he allegedly provided to Paul. That includes giving Paul legal assistance, who employed a mistress of Paxton's and provided renovations to Paxton's Austin home.